Okay, are you an agent? Are
Yes,
you,
sir. How can I help you?
you are a tax agent? Okay, in that particular case, can you hear me?
How can I assist you today?
I must have called 100 times. I don't know why I haven't gotten my, payment yet. I have filled out this form and submitted it in the email. I'm a non-filer, I'm single, I don't have any dependents, I get US Social Security, SSDI. It should have come automatically to my bank account a long time ago. I've been calling repeatedly. I've tried to fill out the form, I made an address correction, and I'm still not able to get what I need to do done to get the money. What now?
Have you been able to check the my payment tool?
Yes.
It doesn't work.
Over and over and over. I successfully transmit it, and I keep getting error, and for God knows why. So,
What message does it provide you after you put your email, your information in?
hopefully we won't get disconnected. I should write your number down again. So would you, Justin, pardon me,
Pen?
would you please hand me the pen, because if we get disconnected, I'm gonna call you right back. Here, let's see it. What was your number again?
309-463.
Pardon me? I didn't hear you, sorry.
309-463.
309463.
Got it, okay. There's agent number, okay, perfect. Okay. Yes, the response, I'm looking in the email to see what the last response is, and, hold on. Sorry. Don't mean to be. Okay. All right. The error is, let's see, business rule X0000-005. Did you get that?
And what message is it giving you, sir?
It just says, we cannot accept your non-filers enter payment info return due to errors listed below. I don't even know how to resolve. It says business rule X0000-005. The XML data has failed schema validation. CVC pattern value 2561 is not facet valid with respect to pattern. I don't know.
Doesn't make any sense.
Do you understand any of this?
Yes, sir, I understand, but I'm not understanding the exact message it's giving you.
Neither are we.
You're saying it's wrong.
Well, I don't have a clue. Is there any way you can help us do this? Because if I bring this thing up, I'll tell you what we have on the form. And, I don't know why it's not properly submitting, but hold on, I'll start it over again. Just a minute. Here, I'll sign in.
And you as a tax agent should know this.
I'll sign in. Hold on, just a minute. I have to sign in. Okay, put my thing in there. Sorry, Justin. I'm just
No, it's okay,
trying
but
to.
she should know this. This is part of her job.
Okay, just. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just a minute.
Oh, throat clear. We got it. Yeah.
Yeah, we're recording it.
Yeah, we are.
Anyway, So I write my name in, I put my social security number in, I put my current address in. Then it asks, I'm not claiming any dependents. You as a dependent, I didn't check that. I didn't check a spouse. It says dependents, I wrote myself, I wrote my social security number, relationships to you, other, well, no,
Maybe you don't put dependent on there.
Yeah, just a minute, there's nothing,
Don't put dependent on there
okay,
then.
no, you claim yourself as a dependent.
Oh, click none.
Yes, okay. So, then it's the bank routing number, the account number, checking is ticked. And then it says go to step 2. Taxpayer 0 because I'm a non-filer and I get Social Security. I don't have to pay, so I put last year's AGI 0, and then on B, nothing, taxpayer nothing, self nothing. Today's date at the time I submitted it was whatever it was, and then cell phone number, which obviously is there. I put a PIN there. There's a 5-digit PIN I entered under taxpayer. I don't know if can I leave that blank or do I leave that there?
If it doesn't apply to you, then you would just leave it blank.
Oh, okay, so I'll leave it blank. Okay, blank. Let me go back. Okay, it's blank now. So, date of birth and, no driver's license, none of that under any of this other information, D, E, F, G, H. G, H, none of that is necessary. So then, see?
Yeah.
We're recording it.
Yeah.
Continue to file.
Required information is missing.
Yeah, required information is missing. So I don't know what the information, I would have to have. Driver's license or state issued ID. I live in Toronto, Canada. Now, I'm a U.S. citizen. So, I don't have any state issue ID. What now?
Okay, and have you finished filling out the form?
Yeah.
Okay, and have you went on to the next step?
Well, we just
Hold on.
Back to 2. It's saying something's missing. So what now? We don't know. I put taxpayer under enter your information, personal verification A. I put taxpayer 0. B, we didn't put anything in. You said no ID is necessary. And then under electronic signature, the date, which is today, is not the 14th. What is it today?
It's
the 28th. Okay, so 9/28. I've got to change that. Okay, 28. This is just way too complex. It is crazy. And then you can choose any 5. I don't have to choose 5 digits because I don't require a PIN, apparently. Date of birth, 11/18/1954.
Okay.
And I don't think we have to put anything else in. I don't have a driver's license or a state-issued ID number because I don't live in the States anymore. I live in Canada. I'm a U.S. citizen. So then...
So what do we do now?
What now? Back to step 2. What's wrong with this form? Why is it not sending? What do we need to do here?
Hello?
Hello?
She cut you off.
Okay. All right, we'll speak to a supervisor next.
No, she's yeah.
That's
Because
okay.
the internet's still on, she hung up on you. So I have this. I have her coughing and throat clearing, and I have it all on recorder. So I'm just gonna do that. I'm just gonna